Alright, working on installing my gas gauge, the float kit, and for the beginners, you should probably just do a quick dry fit. That's what I did. Make sure it fits. So when I did a dry fit on this one, this tube here that comes up and over was bent way out this way, so it didn't quite fit right. So I put on a vise and very gradually bent this inward so that it runs parallel with the tank. And then you put the ring on. I do it without the O-ring first, just as a quick dry fit. Make sure everything looks good. All right, so look good. Let's put that ring on. Before you start, make sure this area here is nice and clean. Mine's are nice and clean. If you got an older car, make sure you clean it up pretty good. Okay. Make sure that O-ring in there is nice and centered. You don't want it offset. Push down with your fingers and give it a little slight turn to get that snug. There we go. And then, I don't know, I just use a flathead screwdriver and a mallet. And you want to turn it clockwise. Get your hand tight as much as you can. And then there's some knobs, little raised areas just before there's a little notch, and that should snap that sucker in. That's it. Okay, got your ground wire, and then there's your connection there, and that's it. Easy peasy.